Understanding Down the Ramp, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, down the ramp. This is a common expression in English, often used to describe a specific action or situation. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your fluency. So, let's dive in and unravel the nuances of this interesting expression. Firstly, let's understand the literal meaning of down the ramp. A ramp is a sloping surface connecting two different levels. The word down here signifies movement towards a lower position. So, literally, down the ramp means moving along the ramp towards a lower level. This could be used in various contexts, such as in a parking garage, at a shopping mall, or even at an airport. Now, let's explore how down the ramp is used figuratively. In a broader sense, this phrase can be applied to describe a process of downscaling, reduction, or a gradual decrease. For example, in a business context, the company is moving down the ramp in terms of production, implies that the company is reducing its production. Here are a few more examples. 1. The event was winding down the ramp, meaning the event was gradually coming to an end. 2. He's going down the ramp in his career, suggesting a decline or decrease in career progression. Understanding these nuances helps in comprehending the context in which the phrase is used. When learning idiomatic expressions, it's easy to misinterpret or misuse them. One common mistake is to take the phrase too literally in contexts where a figurative meaning is intended. Remember, idioms often have a metaphorical meaning that doesn't directly relate to the individual words used. So, always consider the context. I hope this video has shed light on the phrase, down the ramp, and helped you understand how to use it correctly in different contexts. Remember, mastering idioms is a key part of becoming fluent in English. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use them in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.